guys, hi. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. So it is yet another day in Cape Town. So of course it's another Cape Town vacation vlog, and today is so beautiful. It's so beautiful. Today is so beautiful. I know I say this every day, that every day is beautiful, but actually every day is beautiful in Cape Town. So today finally we are going to Table Mountain. We are going to Table Mountain, and let me just show you guys, because I have a beautiful view of Table Mountain from my apartment. So but yeah, let me just show you guys Table Mountain from here. So we are going to be going up that mountain. I'm going to be on the cable car today, and yeah, I look forward to a day of fun. Ourselves at the V&A waterfront, and we're coming to buy food from the food market, and then from there we'll go to Cape Town. We'll go to Table Mountain. We'll find tickets to Table Mountain. I already have my ticket. Fumi is trying to get her ticket. So guys, say hi to Fumi. Fumi, say hi to my vlog once again. Hi. It's another day of adventures, fun, and no turn up today because yesterday, God, their music here is dead. Like, we walked around from place to place looking for somewhere with nice music. They couldn't even play American music. They were playing. It was like this boom, boom, boom. So funny. Anyway, so we couldn't find music. So yeah, we're having fun and we're trying to get food. So come with us. Of Table Mountain. Oh my gosh. So yeah, we're going up there. We're going into the cable car. We have our tickets. We are ready. So excited, guys. So super excited. I'm about to show you guys my beautiful view. Hi! So, yeah, let's go see the view.
First of all, this is for me. Gosh, check out Maranatha's skin in this lighting. All the melanin popping. Like, it's so glossy and glittery and luscious. I am actually. Why do you think I'm saying it? I think I want to gas you up, please.
So are we going to climb to?
You guys see these fairies? Turn around, sir. Can you remember the enchanted forest from yesterday?
Yes. Enchanted forest.
Yeah.
Oh God, the sea. Everything.
Maranatha, just stay like that. Turn to the side of your face. Oh my goodness. See that. See the highlighter popping. Okay. Woo! Oh, by the way, this is Barbara Richards.
Oh yeah, plug. Give plug now. Plug the designer.
Oh, Barbara Richards on Instagram, BR Richards, I think. Tupperware, my best girl. Okay, face.
Like it looks like a face, honestly. God, guys, we're at the top of Table Mountain. Oh God, everything is so beautiful, and I feel like God is like an artist. Like I'm sure when he was making the world, he'll be like, okay, we'll just put like some sea here, a little bit of island. You know, look at that thing. It looks like why don't I put like a lion's head on top of that mountain? You know, let's make it like more artistic. Then he'll start molding it. Like God is so good. Like he's so artistic. Like. We're taking the Instagram shots. We have to take those Instagram shots. We like for the gram, man, for the gram. Yeah, of course. Before more we move, the view gets way better every damn time. Woo! We're at the top of the world. Woo, guys. So beautiful. Table Mountain is so beautiful. Cape Town is so beautiful. Oh my God. Oh, the view gets better every damn time. Like every time we move, it's so crazy.
So see Nafa trying to get the perfect shot for you guys. I'm going to zoom in so you see exactly where she is, and then this is where I am, like all the way up here in comfort of my place. The struggle though. Nafa, say hi.
That was epic. If you want to see the epic photos I took today at the top of some of these rocks, like at the top of the mountain, then go to my Instagram and check it out. Like I took some really epic ass photos, like really epic.
Fumi for the Emmys for best picture
taker,
best photography, best illustrator or creditor, best
and
everything,
creative
man.
director.
Yeah, that's what I was saying, creditor.
So hi. We're at the top of Table Mountain.
Yep.
Woo! And we're having fun. We're in Cape Town, South Africa. Table Mountain, and this is really nice. It's fun. It's epic.
And the view is breathtaking.
And the view is breathtaking. Thank you.
Thank you.
This is Table Mountain.
Right on Table Mountain. You're so cute. Smile for the camera. So cute. We are at the beach. We're at Camps Bay Beach, and this is such a beautiful beach. We're late. It's so cold, right? There's no need. I'm not entering the water. I'm here for the cute bikini pictures for Instagram.
Hi. And I'm here to, I don't know, enter the water with like ice cube. Here we do.
So your water is really cold.
It's cold.
Okay, let me try.
Yeah.
It's so pretty. But the water is like really cold. Damn.
Like Mojo.
But then the view. The view is so nice. I'm sorry, but the view makes me cry. So where are we off to?
We are off to the largest shopping mall in
Cape Town. Largest shopping mall in Cape Town. What's the name again? Canal Walk Shopping Center. So we're going to shop till we drop. Okay.
Yeah, actually, Maranatha is going to shop and I'm going to eat.
Guys, so we are back in our apartment and we got so overwhelmed with the mall and shopping that we forgot to vlog. But I just decided, yeah, so we're home now and it's so late and all we want to do is sleep. Yeah, so we had a really fun day and we look forward to having another fun day tomorrow. And yeah, I'll see you guys in my next YouTube video. Do not forget to follow, subscribe, like, leave a comment, and also follow me on social media. See all my epic photos. And yeah, I'll see you guys in my next YouTube video. Bye.